Alrighty. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Again, it is spooky season and today we're going to become, drumroll, kitty cat. So we're gonna be using 2 pairs of pantyhose to create this kitty cat look. And I'm also gonna add some accessories and do some things here for you. So right now I have a base of white, very opaque. Excuse me, my goodness. How dare. A very opaque white base. I really believe it's gonna make the top layer of the kitty cat pop. So these are the Wolford Leopard type pattern. I wore these in a video, gosh, like when I first started. I wasn't a big fan, I'm not gonna lie. However, in that video, I was like, oh, this would be cool for a costume. Fast forward 8 months or whatever, and boom, it's spooky season and we're gonna make a kitty cat outfit out of these Wolfords. Woo! So without further ado, I'll put these on so I can stand up because I can't right now because you can kind of see my panties under there. So again, amazing Wolford quality. Put this on. Ooh, yeah, that looks really cool. Really cool. Really pops. Holy Toledo. Holy guacamole. Oh, we gotta get that seam in the back there, like actually in the middle, or it just looks really silly. Let's see, how does all this look? It's a little bit bunchy in some areas, but also really looks very cool. So we've got the Wolford kitty cat pantyhose on. Big fan. So you got 2 layers on. Feeling really nice and cinched. And what I have is a little crop top. Very little. So it goes well with like kitty cat vibes. Meow. And I've got a cute pair of kitty cat ears. And my hair's in a ponytail. A friend of mine told me that most kitty cat costumes have ponytails. I don't know, so I just went with it. Just getting advice from people, you know. So we're also going to put on some whiskers, because what's a cat without whiskers? So first I'll show you how cute I am without the whiskers. Boop, boop, boop. Oh, maybe these need to be a little bit more forward. There we go. Okay. We'll put on a little nose. I don't know if you can see me doing this. I'm going to turn to the side a little bit. I'm kind of a perfectionist, so the fact that this isn't perfect is making me upset on my insides, but that's not what it's meant to be. It's Halloween. So we're gonna do little whiskery dots. Okay, so that was a really quick little do-up of it, but I will show you up close really soon. Well, I think I look kind of silly, but that's just how it is. It is Halloween, however, so it's allowed. Okay, so now I have cute little whiskers. Meow, meow, meow. Yeah, so this is another amazing way that you can make a costume with pantyhose. You can layer them with a fun pattern, your own cute top if you want. You could do like, I don't know, something different and have like a pattern top, or you could be like all black if you wanted, maybe some sequins, who knows. But, you know, pantyhose really offers the ability to be creative, and also it's super comfortable and it looks really good because like it's fitted, it's like a second skin, they feel great, and you have your costume. And I would pair it with like a pair of boots. You could also pair them with like a little pair of like a little shoe or anything really you could pair it with. But I'm pairing them with like these little slashy sort of shoes. Again, like maybe a cat like went through them. Really fun. And that's Kitty Cat Layla. Thank you so much for watching my Halloween video, and thank you so much for just always supporting me and watching my videos. If you haven't already, make sure to like and subscribe to my channel. I do have a Patreon, and yeah, just have a beautiful day. Love you.